Good day everyone, my name is Eugene M. Apello and this is my mom Mary Shane Matel Apello and I'm from Santa Quiteria Elementary School, Grade 4, Giho, under my science teacher Sir Harley B. Orsiga, and my home-based collaboration family video project is all about type of soil. Soil covers most of the land part of Earth. We find plant, animal, houses, and other organisms found on soil. We live on the soil, and it helps us in many ways. Mom, did you know the 3 types of soil?
Yes, there are 3 types of soil. A clay soil, a loam soil, and a sand soil. Soil types differs in color, texture, odor, and ability to hold water. Clay soil is small particles. Sand soil has the largest particles, while loam soil is a mixture of sand and clay.
Is it good for planting?
Yes, it is good for planting.
Soil, there are different types of soil. There are different types of soil. There are different types of soil on the earth. Clay has smallest particles. Clay holds a lot of water. Clay, slick and smooth. Clay is a type of soil. Sand has the largest particles. Sand can be many colors. Sand, water passes through sand. It's a type of soil. Loam is clay and sand. Loam, perfect planting. Loam, too much water and air. Loam is a type of soil. This is a type of soil. This is the type of soil. Thank you for watching. Nibo.quad Nanhabed.